Hi, I'm Candice from Modern House Numbers. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install your new plaque. You can also find step-by-step instructions included in your package or visit our website at modernhousenumbers.com for detailed text and photo guides. Step 1. Gather supplies for installation. We provide plaque, drilling template, studs, and spacers. If you ordered an optional contrast plate, gather your contrast plate and stainless steel washers. Supplies you will need to have on hand: tape, epoxy, rubber mallet, drill, and level. We recommend using a hammer drill on masonry, concrete, and stone installations. Step 2. Tape template to wall surface and drill holes. First, you will tape the drilling template to your desired surface for installation. Use a level to align the template. Be sure to take a step back and confirm it's in the location you desire before drilling the holes. Next, drill the holes according to the template using an 11/64 drill bit. If installing on masonry or brick, use a 3/16 bit. Be careful when removing the template. Step 3. Apply epoxy and install the studs. The next step is to apply a thin layer of epoxy to the end of each stud. Epoxy can be found at any hardware store. Just make sure it's clear, quick drying, and exterior grade. Do not use glues or caulks, as they will not hold up well. Step 4. Push studs into pre-drilled holes. Push each stud into the pre-drilled holes on the back of the plaque. Be sure to push the stud all the way down into each pre-drilled hole. Light tapping may be required. If so, place the plaque on a soft surface to make sure not to scratch the face of the plaque. If you purchased an optional contrast plate to increase your plaque's visibility, slide the contrast plate over the stud so it rests flush behind the plaque. Next, slide one washer and one spacer over each stud. Slide the aluminum spacers over the mounting studs. Remember to do this while the epoxy is still tacky so that you will have a good seal at the base of the stud. The last step is to install your plaque. I like to do a dry run without epoxy just to make sure the plaque will fully insert into the wall surface. Then I'm going to apply a thin layer of epoxy to the end of the exposed studs. Now take the plaque and push it fully into the pre-drilled holes, making sure the steel studs are completely concealed in the wall, protected from the elements. Light tapping may be required, but be sure not to scratch the face of the plaque and apply a soft cloth between the plaque and rubber mallet. Thanks so much for letting me guide you through the process. Feel free to check the installation instructions included in your package or visit our website, modernhousenumbers.com, and click on the Resources tab for more helpful information. We loved creating your custom plaque and hope you enjoy it just as much as we enjoyed making it. Thanks again.